Are you ready to uncover the secrets of the world's smallest bear? Let's dive into the life of the sun bear. These pint-sized powerhouses are the sun bears of Southeast Asia. With a golden patch on their chest, they look like they're wearing a sunburst medallion. Standing at just 4 feet tall, don't let their size fool you. They're fierce climbers with tongues that stretch up to 10 inches to slurp up honey. Sun bears are solitary, nocturnal creatures with an insatiable curiosity. Their impressive claws help them tear into trees to find insects and small animals. Sadly, these unique bears face threats from deforestation and poaching. But with our help, they can thrive. So why not spread the word and be a hero for the sun bear? Hit that like button and share to keep the sun shining on these incredible creatures.